Welcome to GooeyTrade and the cTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at graphics on cTrader. To make extra room on the platform, let's hide the main menu, the active symbol panel, and the trade watch. All your graphic objects can be found on cTrader's instrument toolbar, which can be moved around. The color square on the toolbar lets you pick a default starting color and opacity for all your graphic objects. You may also set a default line thickness for your objects. The first graphic tool you will find is a collection of lines, and the most important is the horizontal line. Start by choosing the horizontal line and move your mouse cursor to a level of support or resistance. Here you may change the color of each individual line. You may change the thickness. You may change the style. And you may duplicate any object. Click the settings icon for more detailed management if you require, for example, the exact price level. You may delete an object here or here. At any time, you may right-click on the chart and select Object Manager. From here, you may remove all drawings or access a list with the same management tools. Now, let's select a trend line and set it up as we like it. You may move the entire line or move the endpoints. In this case, the settings include an Extend to Infinity option. Every graphic object includes a lock option which precludes any movement. You will note a magnet on the adjustment toolbar. This forces the endpoints to snap to candle closes, or highs, or lows. If the endpoint extends beyond price action, the magnet deactivates, enabling you to place the endpoint anywhere. Next, you will find the pencil, which includes the usual management tools as well as shape manipulation. Next, the equidistant price channel provides you with two parallel lines for plotting channels. Move the endpoints to find the upper trend line, then find the midpoint of the lower line to set the lower trend line. We will have separate videos on the Andrews pitchfork and Fibonacci. Next, you will find the rectangle, ellipse, and triangle, which you may set up in the usual fashion and manipulate for shape and size. You may also fill any shape with any color and set the opacity to your taste. A variety of small objects like stars and arrows are available. And finally, text, where you have some formatting capabilities and duplication. We will look at risk-reward graphic objects in another video. Please note that on cTrader Desktop, certain objects may not be available, and some management options may appear different. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade cTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on cTrader.